Hey everyone. So, there's gonna be a fireworks show tonight, and I'm joined by some friends, Toejammer, Noggin, and Antbrat. This year's fireworks show will be the best one yet for sure. I heard they're launching more than ever before. It's pretty exciting. Alright, here comes the first one. Whoa, that was amazing. I haven't seen fireworks in so long. That was pretty cool. Whoa, that's crazy. Wow. This is really awesome so far. Whoa, these fins are so cool. Alright guys, I think it's time for a grand finale. Whoa! Wow, this is so awesome. I can't wait for next year. Oh, hi, Noggin. I'm gonna go see the fireworks. Oh, alright. I just finished seeing them. They were pretty amazing. Alright, anyways, bye, Noggin.